Hi friends, let's see how the letters look and how they sound. Shall we begin? Okay. A says and. B says b, b. C says g, cake. D says d, dolphin. E makes elephant. F says fairy. G says girl. H says horse. I says igloo. J says jaguar. K says kite. L says lion. M says mushroom. N says nest. O says octopus. P says parrot. Q says queen. R says rainbow. S says snake. T says telephone. U says umbrella. V says van. W says watermelon. X says X-ray. Y says yo. And Z says zoo. Dear friends, practice these sounds till we meet next. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.